Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our journey through intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we delve into a topic that intrigues many: intermittent fasting and aging skin. Join us as we explore the potential relationship between fasting and skin appearance, uncovering insights into how fasting practices might influence the aging process and skin health. Skin health and aging. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes influenced by factors like genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. The quest for maintaining youthful and vibrant skin is a timeless pursuit, and intermittent fasting introduces a unique perspective into this endeavor: fasting-induced cellular repair. Intermittent fasting has been associated with processes like autophagy, a cellular repair mechanism. Autophagy involves the removal of damaged or dysfunctional cells, potentially contributing to skin health and rejuvenation. Reduced oxidative stress. Oxidative stress caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants is a key player in skin aging. Some research suggests that fasting might reduce oxidative stress, which could positively impact skin health. Hormonal impact. Fasting can influence hormone levels, including those related to growth and repair. Hormones like human growth hormone, HGH, play a role in maintaining skin elasticity and collagen production. Nutrient intake and skin health. Balanced nutrition is a cornerstone of skin health. Intermittent fasting's focus on mindful eating during eating windows can support nutrient intake necessary for skin vitality. Hydration and skin appearance. Proper hydration is crucial for skin hydration and elasticity. During fasting periods, maintaining hydration is essential for promoting healthy skin. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is associated with skin aging. Some studies suggest that fasting might help reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting skin health. Sun protection and skincare. While fasting may offer potential benefits, practicing sun protection and a consistent skincare routine remain essential for maintaining youthful skin. Individual variability. It's important to acknowledge that individual responses to intermittent fasting and its effects on skin health can vary. Factors such as genetics, overall health, and lifestyle choices contribute to the overall equation. Comprehensive approach. Intermittent fasting, when approached comprehensively, can be part of an overall strategy for promoting skin health. Combining fasting with a healthy lifestyle, proper skincare, and sun protection enhances its potential benefits. Consultation with dermatologists. For those considering intermittent fasting for potential skin benefits, consulting with dermatologists or skincare experts can provide personalized insights and recommendations. Educating about skin health. Promote awareness about the potential relationship between intermittent fasting and skin health. Encourage individuals to make informed choices that prioritize overall well-being. Holistic wellness. Remember that skin health is intertwined with overall wellness. Embrace a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of health, including nutrition, hydration, exercise, and self-care. In conclusion, the connection between intermittent fasting and aging skin is a complex and intriguing one. While fasting may offer certain potential benefits for skin health, it's essential to approach it as part of a holistic lifestyle that prioritizes overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into intermittent fasting and its multifaceted implications. Until next time, let us embrace a balanced approach to maintaining youthful skin, nourishing both our bodies and the canvas of life that we call skin.